my name is Yaman. Today, I would like to tell you about one of our holiday camps, which is located in Baden, Austria, and we call it the camp. The first thing you need to know about the camp is that it's a unique place, and not only on the map of Austria, but across Europe. We had been looking for a similar place for a long time. We had high expectations and a plan that we wanted to realize. And we did it. We created a glamping camp, unique in Europe and in the middle of Austria's beautiful nature.
Our camp is located in Baden, and it covers an area of 3 hectares located among the Vienna Woods. It only takes 30 minutes to reach our glamping camp from the center of Vienna. This is extremely convenient and also allows for additional trips and tours to the Austrian capital. There are 16 ecopod tents in our recreation center. Each can accommodate up to 6 people, and the entire camp is prepared to accommodate up to 100 holiday makers. Our camp has very large catering and entertainment offerings. You will find here a large tent, which is the main kitchen and dining area. But there are also places such as the campfire available to holiday makers, special area for cooking and grilling together, or a huge covered space for all kinds of outdoor events. We have provided children of all ages with opportunities for sporting activities in our glamping camp. We have a framed and safe swimming pool, a pleasant, large, and also safe playground for children. Children will also have the opportunity to spend a lot of time close to nature during trekking trips. And at the end of an active day, they will have the chance to relax by watching movies in the unique open-air summer cinema. After a satisfying supper in the camp kitchen or from the campfire, they will finish the day falling asleep in the peace and safety of the dome tent. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video and giving me the chance to present our glamping resort, the camp. I hope you enjoyed watching our short presentation about one of the most interesting tourist destinations on the Austrian map. If you're interested in more information, if you would like to work with us, or if you would like to visit our office, please contact us. You will find contact details by visiting our website www.thecamp.eu.